IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. It's been around 3 years that a friend of mine has his own restaurant. I met him at high school. Even in high school, he was pretty good at cooking some snacks when we went on a picnic. He was very patient while cooking. To be completely honest, I always wish I were as patient as him while cooking. He gained admission to a university, but I vividly remember he didn't like his lessons at all, and after a few semesters he left the university. Both his parents and some of his friends blamed him for his decision, but he didn't give up and did his best to follow what he really liked. He joined some cooking courses to learn both national and international recipes. He was hired by a famous restaurant as a cook and thankfully gained some valuable experience. After a while, he took another risk and left his job to run his own business. He rented a small restaurant in our hometown, which then turned out to be a lucrative business. He offers a varied menu. He can cook traditional Iranian food as well as some international food such as pizza and burgers. He always tries to use healthy and nutritious ingredients as he cares a lot about his customers. Besides, his dishes are affordable and very tasteful, and because of that, he has gained more customer satisfaction and popularity. Not only local people, but also tourists from different cities and even countries enjoy eating food in his restaurant. To put it in a nutshell, I admire my friend's hard work and I hope he can grow his business.